It's about love. Ukiatiwin. Having an affection to what was given to us and to love it, to care for it, and to cherish it. And that's why we're here today, to teach the teachers, the young people, Uiisookitaatiwin, our youth, that this art is still here. What we are doing today is such an ancient form of processing and curing food. Curing meaning it could last a very, very long time. Our food needs to carry us through the winter, through the fall, through the spring. It's a very harsh time for us this time of the year. And this art has almost been lost. It was almost totally taken away. Residential school, the 60s scoop, they told us we didn't need to live like this anymore. That is what they made us believe for about 40 years, so we lost that. But thankfully there are pockets of people around our area that still harvest away Manoomin. We can branch out. We're going to need dancers to walk on this canvas, and we're going to be using the young men. One of our laws is that our girls and our women hold such potent power in your body that touching that rice with your feet would pose a threat to the men. Your body is so powerful. Love it. Cherish your body. The young girls, the young women, you'll watch the guys. You can hold them up because they're going to need your hands. Enjoy that you're out here with your people. Kenora Discovery Center, and love each other. Take good care of each other. So you're roasting it. We are making that grain hard inside. And it's also drying the husk. Nengwa abwe. Those of you that are learning the language, nengwa abwe. You're releasing the moisture so that it hardens and it's able to be walked on without breaking. You can smell it. It smells nice. Mino mate. Smells good. And it's the healthiest grain. Oh man. If you know people who are diabetic, who have kidney problems, this is the big thing to eat. It's not just food, it's medicine. So the rice is here. All you're doing is you can spread it out and dance on it. You're taking the husk out. We're almost in the process to start winnowing. So you need the wind. The wind is your friend during this time. But you can also do this if you're not comfortable. All the rice is coming off and staying in the box. We're blowing the husk off the rice. We are winnowing, we are blossom. So can you imagine this happening for 2 weeks? Processing 2,000 pounds of rice. Camps would come from far away, meet at specific areas. So the whole process from harvesting, picking the grain on the lake, to drying it, to parching it, to dancing on it, to winnowing, this is the final product. Even though this is just a small, tiny handful, this is the work that would normally take a few days to do. Wiisookitaatiwin, we call that, working together towards a common goal. Harvesting rice.